Knowing if a mullet hairstyle will suit you depends on some factors, including your face shape, hair type, personal style, and confidence. Here are some steps to help you decide if a mullet will be a good fit for you and your face. 1. Research mullet styles. There are various types of mullet hairstyles, from subtle and modern to bold and retro. Research different mullet styles and find one that appeals to you. Consider factors like length, layers, and whether you want a traditional or more contemporary mullet. 2. Face shape. Different hairstyles can complement various face shapes. Generally, mullets can work very well with oval, square, or heart-shaped faces. However, it's essential to consult with a hairstylist who can assess your specific face shape and recommend a suitable mullet style. 3. Hair type. Consider hair type and texture. Mullets often work best with thicker hair, as they can provide volume and texture. If you have very fine or thin hair, a mullet may not be the best choice unless you're prepared for styling challenges. 4. Maintenance. Mullets require regular maintenance and styling to look their best. Be prepared to frequent trims to maintain the shape and ensure it doesn't become too unruly. Personal style. Your personal style and fashion choices play a significant role in whether a mullet suits you. If you have a unique and bold style, a mullet might complement it well. However, if you prefer a more conservative or classic look, a mullet may not be the best choice. 6. Consult a professional. It's always a good idea to consult with a professional hairstylist. They can assess your hair, face shape, and personal style to recommend the best mullet style for you. They can also provide guidance on how to maintain and style your mullet. 7. Consider your confidence. Confidence is key when pulling off a mullet. If you feel good about the hairstyle and carry it with confidence, it's more likely to suit you. 8. Try a temporary option. If you're unsure about committing to a full mullet, consider trying a temporary version, such as clip-in extensions or a wig. This allows you to experiment with the style before making a permanent decision. Remember that hairstyles are a personal choice, and what suits one person may not another. It's essential to choose a hairstyle that makes you feel comfortable and confident. If you're uncertain, consult with a hairstylist for professional advice and consider trying the style temporarily before making a long-term commitment.